The book, The Art of Laziness, A Guide to Living a More Relaxed and Productive Life, explores the concept of laziness in a new light. Smith argues that laziness is not necessarily a negative trait, but rather a misunderstood one that can be harnessed for increased productivity and overall well-being. Drawing on research from psychology, neuroscience, and philosophy, Smith delves into the benefits of embracing laziness and adopting a library mindset to approach life with a sense of ease and efficiency. The central thesis of the book is that laziness is not inherently bad, but rather a natural inclination that can be used to our advantage. Smith argues that by understanding the root causes of laziness and learning to work with our natural tendencies, we can actually become more productive and successful in the long run. He introduces the concept of the library mindset, which involves approaching tasks with a calm and focused attitude, much like one would have when browsing through books in a library. One of the key takeaways from the book is the importance of taking breaks and allowing ourselves time to rest and recharge. Smith emphasizes the need for balance in our lives and argues that constantly pushing ourselves to work harder and faster can actually be counterproductive. By learning to listen to our bodies and minds, we can avoid burnout and maintain a sustainable level of productivity. Smith also explores the role of technology in shaping our attitudes towards laziness. He argues that the constant connectivity of the digital age has blurred the lines between work and leisure, making it difficult for us to truly relax and unwind. By setting boundaries and learning to disconnect from our devices, Smith believes that we can reclaim our time and energy, allowing us to be more present and focused in our daily lives. Throughout the book, Smith provides practical tips and exercises to help readers cultivate a more relaxed and productive mindset. From mindfulness techniques to time management strategies, he offers a range of tools to help readers embrace their laziness and use it to their advantage. By reframing laziness as a positive force in our lives, Smith challenges readers to rethink their approach to work and productivity. Overall, The Art of Laziness is a thought-provoking and insightful read that challenges conventional wisdom about laziness and productivity. By encouraging readers to embrace their natural tendencies and adopt a more relaxed mindset, Smith offers a refreshing perspective on how we can live more fulfilling and balanced lives. Whether you're a workaholic looking to find more balance or simply curious about the psychology of laziness, this book is sure to spark new ideas and inspire positive change in your life.